Yeah, hi, good evening. My name is Purnachandra, and I I was a student in the Heights Academy. It's like uh, how I got the Heights Academy was previously I have done with a number of job applications. In that way, in an accident, I have even applied for the Heights. I don't know. I was applying for a number of companies. And for training and placement, Heights has provided a platform. So I have registered for it. And what Heights is providing for us was it is providing a large amount of job opportunities as well as a free coaching for the students who are willing to take. And also not only the coaching, they were also providing some internship opportunities and part-time jobs too. Like and everything was totally free of cost. And in that, I am taking the UI and UX, which was very awesome for me. Like basically, I'm from electrical background. I don't know any programming language. I'm null with the programming language, and I was taking the course of the web development, that is UI and UX, from Mr. Murthy sir from the Heights Academy, and the sessions were very interactive. Like although we don't know anything, he is explaining in such a manner that very clearly. If we have any doubt, if we ask him, he will definitely solve it. And uh, the opportunity provided by the highest for us was awesome. Free of cost and job opportunities and also income sources. And thank you for that. Thank you.
Vandana. I'm BSc student from St. Anne's Degree College for Women, Malapur. I'm from Hyderabad. Actually, this highest placement was given by our college staff, college lecturers, and in this April 2021, I have joined in the highest placement training. Actually, I offer two courses. One is data science in the morning section and UI UX in the evening section, uh, which were offered by the HICE. I'm very happy to be a part of HICE. The courses are very helpful, and the trainers are very supportive, and the way of explaining is very good, and the way of explaining are in easy techniques, and it is the best place to all the students to achieve a great success in the career. Uh, and offers provided by the highest placements training. So I thank Highest Placement for giving this opportunity to build our future successful. Thank you, sir.
Hi guys, this is Arshini. I'm graduated in 2019 from KPIT College. I'm from electrical background, so completely I don't have any knowledge of the software courses and all. So I have joined with HICE in October. Since then, it was a big journey with HICE Academy. So I know a lot of students after their BTech they struggle to get a job due to lack of skills. So the ultimate solution is to join an institute where which can provide them the skill set required for the jobs. So regarding the trainers and my personal experience, so academy is very nice. So the trainers here are very well experienced and they have well knowledge. Along with the theoretical knowledge, they also have practical knowledge. So since October, I took many courses like data science, and then I have gone with digital marketing and full stack. Now in April, I started taking testing, data science, and UI UX designing again. So and then further also, I want to continue to take many other courses with Highs Academy. And the things which differ Highs Academy from other academies is their way of teaching is very good, and the faculty are very well experienced and well knowledge. And also in ICE Academy, they are providing job assistance, certification, and internship programs. And then regarding this, I thank Kapuri Gandhi Garu and Manishar for giving me the opportunity to attend the classes because some of the institutions they are not allowing working professionals to take the classes. So here it is not like that. Everyone is getting equal opportunity here, and the training quality here is very good. And I hope in future I will refer my friends and other students to join the academy and to gain knowledge from the professors. And also I'm very much thankful to the academy for providing me such training, because I even don't know what is this Python coding, but I have learned data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning from the Ravi Kumar sir. I'm really thankful to. Thank you.
Hi, I greet you all. My name is Shravani. I am from Kadapa. I am pursuing BTech third year in Computer Science Engineering from IIIT Ongole. I got know through my friend about HICE placement. She told me that HICE placements are providing free training for students in various domains like digital marketing, data science, content writing, testing, MS Office, MS Excel, UI UX, communication and interview skills. Firstly, I thank to Mr. Arkapudi Gandhi Garu and Mr. Manish sir for providing free training to us in this COVID pandemic time. I'm so happy to be part of ICE Academy. I'm attending interview skills and UI UX courses. For interview skills, our trainer is Surya sir. He is teaching very well. He is clarifying everyone's doubt. He is making our session very interactive. Before joining the training, I'm not sure about myself, how to speak and introduce myself. Now I'm clear. For UI UX, our trainer is Murthy sir. I like his way of teaching. He is teaching everything from the scratch. He is explaining each and every concept very nicely. Anyone can attend these courses who doesn't have idea about it. They can easily understand because the way of teaching of ICE Academy is very nice. At last, I thank to Mr. Arkapudi Gandhi Garu, High Placements, all my trainers and coordinators for giving me this opportunity.
Good evening. I am Pujita Siddham Shetty and I am a BSc student from St. Anne's Degree College for Women Mallapur. I am basically from Hyderabad. It is from my college staff from whom I came to know about the HICE training and placements. Very soon in the month of April 2021, I joined for 2 courses. One of them is data science and other is UI UX. Data science is for morning session and UI UX is the evening session. The trainers for data science is Sri Lakshmi ma'am, and for UI UX it is Murthy sir. The trainers are very good qualified and they are very supportive and teaching us every concept with good and easy techniques so that every student will be able to learn it very quickly and easily understandable way. It is a good opportunity for all the students to achieve a great success in their career with good job offers provided by HICE placement and trainings. I would like to thank HICE team, especially Arkapudi Gandhi sir, who took an initiative to train 600 students in the just span of 3 months, and my trainers and especially the founder and CEO Manish sir, and also my coordinators to give us this opportunity to build a great future with success. And thank you everyone for giving me this chance. Thank you.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ashmi Kamble. I belong to Hyderabad. I completed my post-graduation MBA in finance from Aradhana School of Business Management. I came across HICE through my friend. She recommended me to be the part of HICE. So I researched about HICE and got to know that Mr. Arkapudi Gandhi Garu and Mr. Manish sir, who is the founder of HICE, came with a great initiative of rendering services for 3 months for 600 students in a domain like DM, DS, Java, content writing, MS Office, MS Excel, communication and interview skills. And most priorly, it includes certification, training, and working on live projects, in internships. I'm glad to be the part of HICE and opted for MS Office, communication and interview skills. My trainer is Mr. Daniel Sir, who is a optimistic person and makes the environment interactive. Uh, he teaches the every concept with a good easy technique so that every student get his perception. And at last, I would like to thank um, highest placement Mr. Arkipudi Gandhi Garu and my trainer for providing me this opportunity. And I would recommend this for other job seekers and students, youngsters, to be the part of highest placement to nurture their career. Thank you, sir.
Yep. Yeah, good afternoon to everyone. My name is Ashwin. I am from Kakinada. I am pursuing my BTech in Aditya College of Engineering and Technology in Kakinada. First of all, I would like to say how I came across this HICE Academy. For few months back, my friends are used to talk about this HICE Academy and HICE placements and the training provided by the HICE. At that time, I didn't know what is this HICE placements and all at all. So one day I used to ask my friend what is this HICE placement and all this. He recommended me. It is an online platform which is initiated by Arkipudi Gandhi Garu to learn so many of the courses with certifications with that free of cost. So I think it is a good platform. So I joined in that HICE placement. I registered for the interview skills classes. The classes are going very good, and the trainers which are providing the training also teaches very well. In other I do online courses in so many of the platforms, but I never see this kind of online platform like this. Means they are assigning some work and they didn't take care of that work whether we done or not. But in these HICE placements, they also check whether they are doing or not and all this stuff. So I really liked it. So I recommend all the youngsters to register for this to success their life, and it will be useful for you. So I would like to thank Arkipudi Gandhi Garu and CEO Sir Manish Garu for creating this good platform. And I would like to thank all the trainers which are training the students. So thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Yes. Yes, ma'am, you can
Well,
speak.
yeah. Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Chaitanya, and I'm from Hyderabad. I have done my MCA from Andhra Mahila School of Informatics from OU University. I came to know across this HICE placements through my friend. It's a great opportunity to take part in HICE placements. It is providing us free of cost for 3 months training, which include internship, working on live projects, and job assistance too. I'm very thankful to the CEO of this HICE placements, Mr. Manish Garu, and MLA Arkipudi Gandhi Garu, to take the great initiative to help the job seekers in such a way that they can achieve their goals. Here I opted for UI and UX training session. The trainer is Sheshikant sir. He is very interactive in the class, and whenever we raise doubts, then and there only he will clarify the doubts. And I'm very happy with the training which is provided by the HICE placements. Lastly, I want to thank all the coordinators and also the trainers who are behind this HICE placements. Thank you.
Perfect. Just a
Good
moment.
evening, everyone.
Just a moment.
I'm Pooja, and I'm completed my graduation in electrical and electronics engineering. And I know about HICE through online, and then I enroll for the courses, and I attend only for interview skills class. The trainer sir, Mr. Surya sir, is very supportive, and he explains everything and clears all the doubts in a class, and he motivates us, and the classes are running smoothly. So in this pandemic situation, it's very good opportunity to help. It is very helpful to the graduates who are completed their graduation and ready for job, and also the HICE Academy is not only provides training, it also provides certification and job assistance also. So I really thankful to Mr. Gandhi sir and Arkabodi Gandhi sir and the CEO of HICE Academy, Mr. Manish sir, and also our trainers and coordinators as well. So it's a wonderful opportunity to utilize everyone. Thank you so much.
Yep, go on.
So, good afternoon, one and all. My name is Abhishek Kumar. I am from Hyderabad. I am pursuing my BCom final year from Aurra's Degree and PG College. During this pandemic situation, when everything got closed, so schools and colleges and university. So at this moment, I came to know about HICE through social media, WhatsApp group, that they are providing really a wonderful opportunity to all the students. So laterly, I joined in the HICE placements and HICE placement as they were teaching students many courses like Java, data science, MS Excel, MS Office, content writing, etc. So I had also joined in multiple courses where my experience after joining that courses, my experience was like it is really one of the best opportunity to learn where I can get more and more knowledge. And there our sir Daniel sir, he's also teaching really very well, and at the same time he's also clearing our doubt whichever raised by the students and by me. So it is really wonderful opportunity for all the students, and I am very glad to be a part of HICE placement, and I am sure that I will utilize this opportunity and to grow myself, and I will keep growing by learning here courses. So at last, I want to thank our HICE placements and RK Gandhi Garu sir and our CEO Manesh sir, and also our training trainers. And at last, I would also like to thank our coordinators who are really helping a lot to do all this. So thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Gayatri. I am from Bhadrachalam and pursuing degree final year and at St. Anne's Degree College, Hyderabad. I came across HICE in the month of last week of April. Gandhi Garu has taken a good initiative to provide us free training in this pandemic situation. And also there are various courses in HICE placement like UI, UX, data science, etc. like that. So I have joined only 2 courses, MS Office and Java. I'm so glad to be a part of this wonderful session. And also Daniel, our trainer Daniel sir, the way he interacting with students, it's simply good. And I have seen so many webinars in this pandemic situation, but no one asked questions like, is we are in listening the questions or listening the webinars or not. They didn't ask her, but our trainer Daniel sir is asking each and everything, and he used to ask in between while we are listening the class or active or in a session or not. So I like that. I like he's passionate towards his work, and also I would like to thank Gandhi Garu and HICE placements to giving this wonderful opportunity. And also I would like to thank coordinators, Miss Satvika and Mr. Vaibhav. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. Good morning, one and all. My name is Saitya. I completed my MBA in finance from Aurora PG College in the year 2020. I came ICE to one of my friends' suggestion that ICE is providing free of courses like Java, data science, MS Office, MS Excel, content writing, etc. Uh, uh, no other placement companies will provide free of cost of course in online, but it is a wonderful opportunity to utilize each and every job seeker to improve their knowledge and gain some skills. And I'm much very thankful to Arkepudi Gandhi Garu and who trained me the spoken English section by Daniel sir and interview skills trainer Surya sir is very jovial and friendly to each other and and support each individual to prove their talent. Uh, thank you for giving this opportunity. I will definitely improve uh, this knowledge in my future. Thank you. Sir.
Welcome everyone. So this is the HTML course I'm teaching. So as part of UI UX batch. Okay, so for all the attendees, so yes, can you please share your experience with Heis Academy? So what is your opinion on Heis Academy and what is your experience so far about the Heis placements?
Mahinder.
Yeah, Mahinder. So what is your opinion on Heis placements?
Has been giving a great opportunity for us.
Okay.
Actually, we learn a lot from you people.
Okay.
Thank you for giving this opportunity to us.
Sure.
A great opportunity. His placement. Teaching also good, and we believe highest placement. Thank you.
Okay. So you feel your overall experience is good.
Yes, good. Sir.
Okay, and how do you like how do you rate the trainers in general?
Trainers I give 4. Sir.
Okay, so you're able to follow the all classes and understand the concepts.
Yes.
Okay, okay, that's great to know. That's great to know. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, it's a great initiative. So according to my opinion, it's a very great initiative to train the freshers so that yeah they'll be ready for applying to jobs and especially during this pandemic, so learning online has become a more priority and so Heis Academy is doing a great job in teaching the newcomers so that they'll be job ready and acquiring all the in demand skills in the market. So I feel I feel pleasure to train the students. So I feel very delighted to teach them. So it's my experience so far. Yeah, I have been enjoying to training the students, and it's very delightful experience. Yeah, you don't need to. Yeah, you don't need to turn on the video. So just yeah, you can.
Yeah, sorry, sir. Good morning, everyone. This is Sudhir. I'm a coordinator of UI UX, second coordinator. I've done my graduation in 2019. This is a great opportunity by highest placement regarding the jobs. In this pandemic, most of the people are losing job. For fresher, it is difficulty to get a job. By the highest academy, we are getting a good opportunity to train our skills and getting a job. It's a easy way. And thank you for the trainers. Shashi sir, thank you sir for giving a good lectures in UI UX, and it's uh, best things we are learning from you. Thank you for it, sir. And also thanks for Manish sir for helping me in helping us in learning the skills. That's it, sir. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, that's great review. very happy to know.
Good morning, sir. Good morning to all of you. First of all, I am saying heartfully thanks to ISA Academy and coordinators. I am Adina Nandi. I am studying MCA final year in Vikramasinghe University in Nellore, but I am staying in Hyderabad. Now I am saying to ISA Academy, this platform is very useful to me. Why means now I am developer. I want to become a developer, web developer. So I choose this way. So my friend recommended to me. So that's why I joined this last month. So I learn HTML, CSS. I know a little bit information. When I joined the ISA Academy UI and UX, it is useful to me. Why means every day I spend at least 2 hours. Last time I spent only half an hour or 30 minutes exactly. I spent at that HTML, CSS. But today I am using frankly 2 hours, minimum 2 hours I practice. So like every day I complete my task. So this what course, actually lots of course available in ISA Academy like Java, spoken English, communication, and UI and UX, placements also. So placements also everyone use. It is best for us. Why means we want to become a job profile, right? So that's why we are using. So definitely I will use and I will become a developer. So that is I am frankly I believe myself. So thanks to ISA Academy and trainers. So actually I don't know who are coordinators, but I'm saying heartfully thanks to Srikanth sir and Sakshi sir. Why means they are providing lots of time to us. So this thing.
Sure.
Thank you so much to everyone. Definitely I will use and utilize every opportunity. Definitely I will become a developer. That is my dream. So my dream is Django developer. So that's why Django developer is useful to like front end and back end and database. So front end is most important, like HTML, CS, and JavaScript, and Bootstrap also. So it is a free of cost providing ISA Academy. So that's why I'm using every day. So practice is most important. Sir already every day till practice is most important. So if you practice regularly, it is useful or it is useful for us. That's it, my friends. So if you want to become anything, any type of job, practice is most important to us. That is guys, that is friends, that is sir. So I'm saying heartfully thanks to ISA Academy team and Gandhi sir. I mean, sorry, I don't know. Akkapudi Gandhi sir garu. I don't know exactly name, but I think.
Sure.
So thank you so much sir, and team who are spending lots of time to us. Thank you. I'm saying heartfully thanks to you and your coordinators. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for your feedback, Narayana. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Very good.
Hi everyone. My name is Chaitanya. I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my MCA in 2010 from Andhra Mahila School of Informatics, that is from OU University. And I came to know about the HACE placements through my friend. These HACE placements and Akkapudi Gandhi Garu has taken a great initiative for the students, actually for providing a free training, which in different domains like DM, content writing, UX, UI, and Java testing, improving communication skills and interview skills. And in this training also include working on a live projects, internships, and also job assistance, main thing. And HACE Placements is providing this free of cost. I have joined in UX and UI course in the morning section. The training is very supportive, and that we can understand everything easily, and it is useful for everyone who are seeking for the job actually. So I'm heartfully thanking to give this opportunity for me for HACE Placements and also Akkapudi Gandhi Garu. That's it. Thank you.
Yes. Yeah. Thanks for your words.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. My name is Mahinder. I'm from Hyderabad. నేను గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ కంప్లీట్ చేశాను 2020లో. గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ కంప్లీట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మా ఫ్రెండ్ రెఫర్ చేశాడు, హైయెస్ట్ ప్లేస్మెంట్ అని చెప్పేసి జాబ్ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇస్తుంది అని చెప్పేసి చెప్పారు. అప్పుడు గ్రూప్ లో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. దాదాపు జాయిన్ అయ్యి కూడా 6 months అవుతుంది. 6 months లో వాళ్ళు చాలా ట్రైనింగ్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేశారు. లాస్ట్ టైం నాకు కాల్ వచ్చింది హైయర్ ప్లేస్మెంట్ నుంచి ఇట్లా ఫ్రీగా యూఎక్స్ యూఐ అండ్ జావా కంటెంట్ రైటింగ్ స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీద మేము ఫ్రీగా కోర్సెస్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము, మీకు ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఉందా అని చెప్పేసి అడిగారు. వాళ్ళు నాతో కాంటాక్ట్ అయిన విధానం కానీ అన్నీ కానీ చాలా బాగున్నాయి. నేను యూఎక్స్ఐ గ్రూప్ అంటే కోర్సులో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. వాళ్ళు ఫ్రీగా ట్రైనింగ్ అండ్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ లైవ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ సర్టిఫికేషన్ ఇవ్వడం అనేది చాలా మంచి ఆపర్చునిటీ. రియల్గా నేను థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తున్నాను హైయర్ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్కి, ఎందుకంటే నేను చాలా 2-3 అకాడమిక్స్ అండ్ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ కూడా నేను చూశాను. దాంట్లో దాదాపు ఒక చాలా వరకు పెయిడ్ వర్కే ఉన్నాయి. ఫ్రీగా ఇవ్వడం అనేది చాలా మంచి విషయం. అండ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ విధానం గురించి చెప్పాలంటే చాలా బాగా ఇస్తున్నారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ శశి సార్. ఎవ్రీ కంటెంట్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ చాలా క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నారు. అండ్ థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ హైయర్ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ అండ్ అరకపూరి గాంధీ గారు, ఎందుకంటే ఇంత మంచి కోర్సెస్ని అందరికీ స్టూడెంట్స్కి ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నందుకు వెరీ థ్యాంక్స్. ఇంకా చెప్పాలి అంటే చాలా మంచి ఆపర్చునిటీ నాకు ఇది, ఎందుకంటే నేను ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ డెవలపర్గా ఎదగాలని అంటే ఆ జాబ్ చేయాలని నాకు చాలా ప్యాషన్ ఉంది. కాకపోతే కొంచెం ఫినాన్షియల్గా సపోర్ట్ లేకపోవడం వల్ల నేను ఏ అకాడమీలో కానీ నార్మల్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్లో కానీ జాయిన్ కాలేకపోయాను. కానీ హైయర్ ప్లేస్మెంట్ నాకు ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇచ్చింది, నేను డెఫినెట్గా దాన్ని యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాను. అండ్ ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ డెవలపర్ జాబ్ కొడతాను నాకైతే నమ్మకం ఉంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ హైయర్ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ అండ్ అరకపూరి గాంధీ గారు అండ్ ఆల్సో టీమ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. దట్స్ ఇట్ సార్.
Yeah, thank you, Haider.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sudhakar. I am from Bangalore. I completed BCA, which is in Bangalore University in 2018. And presently, I got about the details with my friend. I thought it is a fake or something. They are getting time pass like that. After joining the class and each day, I just understood it is genuine and everything. Teaching is good to develop the peoples to get the job. And yeah, and I want to thank the size placement who is working behind this, and everyone is thankful. Yes, sir.
Yeah, hope
I'm very
you're-
nervous about this because I'm
Yeah, hope you are following the sessions and you're on track with the content. So just keep practicing. So yeah,
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Definitely. My goal is to get some reputed company to get a job with a good salary. For that reason, definitely I will work hard. Yeah, sure. I will continue every section. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
sure. Thank you very much. Yeah. So as you know, this recording is requested by Highs Placements itself. So it will be useful for them as part of feedback. So they understand like how useful these sessions are, and so it will be like a motivation for them. So they are doing a good job, and also it is helping many people in learning the latest technologies. So yeah, definitely it's very good initiative, and I'm happy to be part of this initiative. I thank Mr. Srikanth who has offered me this opportunity, and also I thank Highs Placement Academy, so who is conducting all these training courses. So I think.
Hello everyone, a very good evening. I'm Vasavi. I'm from Jagityal. Recently, I completed my graduation in 2020. Before joining for my masters, I have to learn and update my skills in some like digital marketing and content writing. So that's why searching for a free course where I can able to get a good knowledge and experience. While I am searching, my sir is referred this Heist Academy. So I requested our Manish sir, and he said about it, and I have joined in this course. Recently, I have completed 1 month of digital marketing course. Now I joined in the content. I'm expecting more, which I'm able to learn, and I can explore my knowledge in future in this world, where I can build my digital marketing knowledge and content writing, which helps me bright future. That's what I wish. Thank you.
And so far, what have you
Thank you,
learned?
ma'am.
So far, what have you learned in the content writing classes? Because if you let
Hello, ma'am.
yeah, yes, I can hear you. All right, I think there is some network issue at your end. Okay, so Neha, can we listen you and about your experience now? Anne is making this noise.
Oh, now, ma'am.
Yeah, better.
Okay, ma'am. Very good evening, ma'am. Very good evening to all my co-participants. This is Neha. I am pursuing my BTech final year in Srivastava Engineering College, and I am from Tanuku. Now, I would like to share some views about Heist Academy and also the content writing class. While I was searching for off-campus recruitment in my BTech life, I came across this Heist placement, and I joined and I became the coordinator for content writing. Firstly, I thought that it will help in my essay writing skills where I can enhance my skills. But later on, I came to know that the content writing class can create uh, it helpful in my creative ideas to improve my knowledge and other. Uh,
Okay.
and also, being a coordinator for me, it is very difficult to manage the classes and also for part-time work job also. But high placements mm, are taking care of me, and they are motivating me in every aspect.
Okay.
That's it, ma'am.
So, how is your overall experience about the training, and how would you recommend this same training to other students who are looking for a great career in the field of content writing?
Okay, ma'am. Many people think that only journalists needs to know about the content writing as they are need to write the writing work and all at all. But being a student also, it will be helpful in interview skills also, as we can improve our knowledge regarding the outsources. And next day, madam explained about using the canvas so that we can edit the templates and we can add our ideas to those templates and we can
Create the
improve
social
our
media
skills.
graphics basically. You can create your own graphics using
Yes, ma'am.
all right.
For creating posters
Yeah, yeah.
like that, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you, Neha. Thank you for sharing your views.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Uh,
Everyone,
Hello.
no, just listen. Later I can. Okay, you start recording.
Yeah. So we would like to know that what is your overall experience about the training, about your trainer? How is it going to help you in your career? So that it will help, and your videos would be a guide for other people. They would understand what more they can expect from this field and how it would help in their career. Yeah, so please you go ahead with your own thing, and you can add on like whatever I have asked.
Hi everyone, my name is Saraswati. I am from Chittoor. I completed my MTech and
I completed my MTech in Sitham's College. First of all, I would like to tell thanks to the captain of ship, CEO, Mr. Manish Kumar. My heartfelt thanks to him, because he offering this free training to the students. And I would like to tell my thanks to Mr. Arkapudi Gandhi sir, because of he's offering his free training in this corona situation. My friend suggested me to join here. In HISA Academy, they're offering 3 months of free training for digital marketing and Python, data science, and Java, testing, UX and UV, and content writing courses. These all are free of cost. They are offering to the students. Here, students can learn multiple skills. So from home, they can learn. I really thought when I was kid, real heroes are the real heroes. But now I find out this they are the real heroes who is offering this free training now. So we no need to go outside. We can learn from home. Whichever the skill we want to, we can learn from home. And I want to tell thanks to coordinators also. They are supporting well. And my trainer is Neha madam. And sometimes I will join in testing classes also. He is Mr. Harish Kumar. My appreciations to them. My heartfelt thanks to them. And I will suggest to my friends also join here to the HISE Academy. I really wonder, after training also they will provide interview skills, communication skills, and job placements. So like this way, nobody will help students. In this situation, our relatives also will not help us. But HISE Academy doing great job. I never expected I will get help like this.
Yeah, yes.
I will make sure I will try to utilize this great opportunity, and I will learn all the things which are taught by my tutor Neha Singla ma'am. And madam is very cooperative. She delivers amazing classes, and she gives real-time examples, and she told us a lot of tools how to use and how to edit photographs and how to write contents and how to post and all the things. She is teaching us like a that I never expected I will get expert like this as my professor. And this corona situation, I never believe, still I'm not believing. This is a great opportunity to all students. Once again, I would like to tell thanks to Mr. Arkapudi Gandhi sir, and CEO of the captain of the ship, CEO, Mr. Manish Kumar sir. And I will try to utilize this opportunity. I would like to thanks to each and everyone who is participating in this course. To my friends also. Thank you so much for this golden opportunity. I'm really happy and I'm learning well. I will try to tell all about this HISE Academy in my further days. Also, I will try to join all my colleagues. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rajvi. I mean, it was a very much needed and very appreciable words for everybody in the HISE Academy. And yes, such nice words always motivates us to keep doing the good, job. And I'm very glad that you are very committed for utilizing this time, because, as you said, this is an opportunity. This is not just like it doesn't matter it is a free or a paid, because we all are doing trying to do as much as we all can do and offer to people for building up a good and strong career. And this is all I can say, and my good wishes. And as I always say, I mean, there should be willingness. If you are sincere about it, I mean, success will come to you. All right.
Thank you,
So
ma'am. Thank you
thank you
so
so
much.
much. Thank you.
Everyone. Myself Harish Kumar. I have around 8 years of experience, to train different kinds of students related to corporate training and all. Apart from that, I basically handle Java, like data science. I handle different kinds of domains which are related to IT. So any IT subject I can deal. That's not a big deal for me. So, or I mean, coming to my overall experience, I work for Intel, and even I work for Deloitte and AMD as a corporate trainer. Even I train some of the students who are doing their MS in abroad and all. This is about my overall introduction. From past from long time I'm associated with Hysin Academy. Through Manish I got to know about Hysin Academy. I'm feeling blessed, like it's a great opportunity, just to be part of this beautiful academy. Yeah, thank
Good
you.
evening, sir. Myself, Megnath. I'm from Kurnool. I completed my BTech Mechanical Engineering in SSN Engineering College under the JNTU Kakinada. I joined the highest placements in the month of December to the Shweta madam. He's one of the relative for me. He's one of the one of the employee in the highest placements. It's a great opportunity to lead to take the job in the highest placements. The trainer also teaching well. Harish sir will teaching the doubts and clarifying the doubts very well. And hopefully thanks to CEO of the Manish sir and my personal experience in the high seas. I do like thanks for the testing, interest in testing. Joined in the month of the March. The testing batch 3 months course. It's a free of the cost. Very thankful to the Manish sir in the pandemic situation, giving the thoughtful sessions, and in the pandemic situation, Harish sir also taking the time and all the things for us who are interested in the testing. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much for this golden opportunity for me. And the Gandhi sir also very thankful to you, sir. Thoughtfully, thank you. And once I get placement, his placement, it's a golden opportunity for me. Thank you, Anand sir.
Evening, everyone present over here. I am Cholipuram Shravani, studying degree final year from Santans Degree College for Women Mallapur. In this pandemic situation, as a final year student, I was very confused that what to do in this situation as I am going to complete my studies. Because of the situation where we can't go to any trainings or coachings outside. At that time, I heard about the high placements from one of my friends that they are providing the free training about 600 plus students, and that too without any fee. So I thought it will be a best opportunity for me. So I thought and registered, and I believe that they will provide us the best training. And after attending the classes more than a week, they stood at a level more than I thought. As it is a free training, just they can complete the topics, they can leave the class, but they didn't do that. I can feel like my college and the care they are showing towards the students are very nice. I would like to thank my testing trainer, Harish sir. Really, to be frank, sir is a very good trainer. He explains the topics even in the point of the freshers so that it is very easy for everyone to understand whatever sir is going to say. At last, I would like to thank High Placement and Gandhi Garu for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to learn in this pandemic situation for free. Thank you.
First of all, myself Shrikant Chavan, and I have completed my MCA in the year 2013. And in this pandemic situation, I'm struggling for my job also. I lost my job in the last 6 months before. So I'm thinking what actually I want to do, but I'm not getting anything for the job. So in this pandemic situation, I got a message from HASE placement that they are giving free studies. मतलब वो free में आपको सिखाने वाले हैं टेस्टिंग और इसके लिए. तो ये बहुत अच्छी सिचुएशन है क्योंकि ये पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन में लोगों के पास बहुत सारी चीज़ें नहीं है मतलब एजुकेशन के लिए, और हाइस ने हमको फ्री में टेस्टिंग का क्लासेस किए. इसके लिए मैं उनको थैंक्स बोलना चाहता हूँ. आई जस्ट वांट टू थैंक टू हरी सर ऑल्सो, क्योंकि बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हम हमेशा पूछते हैं, सर को डिस्टर्ब करते हैं, बट सर हमारे हर एक क्वेश्चंस का जवाब अच्छी तरीके से और डिटेल में देते हैं। तो इसके लिए मैं हरी सर को थैंक्स बोलना चाहता हूँ, और फॉर ये हमको अच्छे से पढ़ाने के लिए हाईएस्ट प्लेसमेंट और अकीपुड़ी गुड़ी सर का भी मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूँ उनको। థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
నా పేరు మాది సిద్దిపేట. నాది బీటెక్ అయిపోయింది ఈసీ స్ట్రీమ్లోను. అయిపోయాక నేను రైల్వేకి కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్కి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యాను. అయిపోయాక ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ స్టేజ్ అయిపోయింది ఎన్టీపీసీ. సెకండ్ స్టేజ్ అవ్వడానికి ఇంకా చాలా టైం ఉంది కాబట్టి నేను ఈ మీన్ వైల్ టైంలో నేను ఏదైనా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కోర్సు నేర్చుకోవాలనుకున్నాను. ఒకవేళ గవర్నమెంట్ జాబ్ రాకుంటే నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ స్టెప్ కోసం ఈ కోర్స్ నేర్చుకోవాలనుకున్నాను. అలాంటప్పుడు నాకు టెలిగ్రామ్ గ్రూప్లో ఈ ఐస్ గురించి తెలిసి ఈ గ్రూప్లో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను, వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో. తర్వాత నాకు బీటెక్లో ఈసీ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కావడం వల్ల నాకు ఎలాంటి కోడింగ్ నాలెడ్జ్ లేకపోవడం వల్ల టెస్టింగ్ కోర్సులో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు తెలిసింది నాకు హరీష్ సారు ఎలా మాకు మోటివేట్ చేస్తూ, అలాగే క్లాసులు చెప్తూ, ప్రతి ఒక్క ప్రాబ్లమ్ని సాల్వ్ చేస్తూ క్లియర్ కట్గా క్రిస్టల్ క్లియర్గా ఎగ్జాంపుల్తో సహా వివరిస్తూ అన్ని క్లియర్గా మా డౌట్స్ అన్ని క్లియర్ చేస్తున్నాడు. ఈ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇచ్చినందుకు అరకపూడి గాంధీ గారికి, మనీష్ సార్కు, అలాగే హరీష్ సార్ గారికి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good evening, sir. My name is Anusha. I'm studying BSc final year in St. Anne's Degree College. Due to pandemic situation, we don't having colleges. I thought we are missing in our college. Many coaching classes are conducted. Because of pandemic, we don't have that much choice to attend extra classes and to gain knowledge. But with the ICE Academy, we got the chance to learn. I got to know about the ICE Academy from the WhatsApp group. Because of this, I'm utilizing the chance. I have been joined two classes, Java and testing. Now I am happy to learning the classes. I am using my pandemic in a correct way without wasting my time, and which is useful for getting the jobs. Only studying knowledge is not eligible for the job. So extra courses I'm learning, sir. It is very nice. Harish sir is saying very nicely, sir, which is gaining knowledge. Not only he is explaining, but he make us doing work. If you won't do, little bit scoldings and punishments are giving, sir. Even Bharat sir also saying very nice, sir. I think I'm getting the knowledge. Thank you, sir.
Hi, good evening everyone. I am Viroja. I am from Hyderabad. I done my master's degree from JNTU Hyderabad. Once a time I thought a lot to join in a best placement for my testing training. One of my friend told me that join in HICE. I was attending for my testing classes as well as interview skills and MS Office from since 1 month. And my testing trainer is Mr. Harish Kumar sir. He is very good at teaching and very understanding, and he used to give like to do write test cases and how to run an application and so on. And my interview skills trainer is Mr. Surya sir. He is very jovial and friendly, and he is encouraged to every participant, every student to participate to give an introduction like and how to face an interview without fear, and how to attend an interview with confidence. And my MS Office trainer is Mr. Daniel sir. He is very good at teaching and very understanding, and after attending his classes I am very confident to speak in English also. And thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you, HICE. And mostly I would like to thank Mr. R.K. Pudi Gandhi garu, Mr. Manish sir, and Harish sir, and Surya sir, and Daniel sir, and Spurti ma'am. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Pawan Katta and I am from Guntur. I'm pursuing my graduation finally in Statistics and Computer Science. I came across about HICE placements through APS's DC portal in March regarding the information about 3 months training in different domains of IT and non-IT sectors. Therefore, upon internship and job assistance at free of cost, I have opted for Java morning session and evening UI and data science classes. The classes are going on well. It was interesting to start my morning something with new content and wind up my day something by gaining new knowledge. So I would like to thank our trainers, Mr. Murthy sir, Mr. Bharat sir, and Ms. Sri Lakshmi ma'am for providing such a wonderful content with us and sharing their knowledge to help to clear our doubts, and Mr. Akapudi Gandhi sir for taking an initiative step which was helpful to the youth, and the whole team of HICE Academy for conducting a program for conducting such a great program in a sequential and better way under our favorable timings. So once again I am thankful for being a part of this program and giving an opportunity to share my feelings and express my gratitude towards you. Thank you. Have an amazing and grateful day to you all.
Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. This is myself, Adesh. I'm pursuing BCA from Gulbarga University. I'm from Karnataka, and this IC placement I got from social media like WhatsApp. So I joined this, and this is very nice placement to get the job, and it is very get the job, and I'm getting the knowledge through like Java, data science, content test, and spoken English. I didn't learn spoken English. Now I'm learning spoken English through IC placement. So I humble request to our Arthopode Gandhi sir and Mr. CEO sir, Manish sir. Thank you. And our Daniel sir is teaching MS Office and Excel and is clearing doubt very well. So thank you everyone, my coordinators. थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू मैम। मेरा नाम आदेश है, मैं कर्नाटक से रहने वाला हूँ और मुझे हाईसी प्लेसमेंट मुझे सोशल मीडिया से मिला है, जैसे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है। सो मैं ज्वाइन होके 10 डेज हो गया है, तो मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है कि ज्वाइन करके। कैसा भी लॉकडाउन है, बाहर ऑफलाइन क्लासेस बंद है, सो मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है कि ज्वाइन करके कि ये कुछ सीखने मिला, जैसे कि MS एक्सेल है, MS वर्ड है, जो भी है, डेटा साइंस है, जावा है, फ्रंट एंड टेस्ट है, एक्सेट्रा। एंड मैं धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि हमारे CEO मानिश सर एंड MLA आर्थोपेडिक गांधी सर एंड और जो भी है कोऑर्डिनेटर्स, मैं उनसे धन्यवाद करता हूँ। डैनियल सर तो हमें अच्छा पढ़ा रहे, जो क्लियर डाउट है तो वो हमें क्लियरिफाई करते हैं और पूछते हैं बार-बार कि समझ में आया है कि नहीं, ऐसा बोल के। थैंक यू सर वेरी मच। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू स्फूर्ति मैम।
Myself Gayatri, and I'm from Patna, Hyderabad. I'm pursuing MBA in finance in St. Xavier's PG College. When I am searching for training, when I'm searching for internship, I got to know that HICE Placement has taken an initiative to provide a 3 months training for students like Java, MS Office, in some sessions to improve students. And I have joined in a MS Office in interview skills and Java. My trainers are Daniel sir, Surya sir, and Hari sir and Bharat sir. They are teaching very well, and I am understanding clearly. I'm very thankful to HICE Placement. It is very good opportunity to learn in this pandemic situation. Thanks for Arkepudi Gandhi Garu and Manish sir. Thanks for HICE Placement.
Good afternoon, my dear friends. I'm Srilata. Present, I'm pursuing MBA in Finance from Aristotle PG College till 2019. I come to HICE Placements in the month of April with the help of Parnatma Madam. HICE Placement will provide different types of online courses in morning and evening batches. It will include data science, Java, MS Office, interview skills, etc. It is really very helpful us to gain more knowledge and getting jobs in our future. I opted courses MS Office, data science, interview skills, which will teach by Denil sir, Surya Subramaniam sir, and Shashikant sir. They tell each and every doubt very clearly and encouraging me a lot. I really very thankful to Highs Placements and Arkepudi Gandhi Garu and traders. Once again, thank you so much for giving this opportunity to tell about my experience.
I'm Shravanti from Hyderabad, currently pursuing MBA first year. Like I came to know about Highs from one of my friend. Like Highs Placements are providing 3 months training, which includes certification, working on live projects, and job assurance on various domains like Java, communication skills, UI, UX, etc. That too for free of cost. As of now, I'm attending Java and communication sessions. The trainers for Java class are Mr. Hari sir and Mr. Bharat sir, and for communication session, Mr. Surya sir. The trainers are very supportive and helping us to gain knowledge throughout the session. I'll make sure that I'll utilize this opportunity to excel in the career. And I would like to thank CEO of Highs Placements, Mr. Manish sir, and MLA, Mr. Arkepudi Gandhi Garu, and all the coordinators for providing this wonderful opportunity and helping the students to learn different skills in this pandemic situation. And at last, I want to say one thing. If you're a student like me who want to excel your skills, I think Highs Placements is the best platform. Thank you.